This tutorial will cover how to weigh your grades in the Blackboard Grade Center. First, you will need a weighted total column. This column is set by default. However, if you have deleted this column, you can go to the Create Calculated Column area and create a new weighted column. Once the column is created, click on the chevron menu and select Edit Column Information. In the editing template, scroll down to Section 3. This is where you will select the columns that you want to include in your weighted grade. Click on the columns to include, and then click on the right arrow to move them over into the selected columns area. You can select columns one at a time, or you can select categories of columns. When I click on the test category, I can see that I have assigned the test category to my Unit 1, 2, and 3 tests, and I can move the entire category of tests over. When working with categories, you have some additional options that you don't have when working with grades individually. In this case, I can choose to drop the one lowest grade out of my test grades. Once all of the individual columns and categories have been added, you will need to assign the weighted percentage for each. As you add your weighted percentage, watch the total weight located at the bottom of the selected columns area and make sure that your total percentage adds up to 100%. Then scroll to the bottom and click Submit. Your calculated weighted grades will now display in the weighted total column. This concludes the tutorial on how to weigh your final grades.